Okay. And these are your sponges. So, looking for an easy way to help your makeup sponges last longer? My name is Sylvia Russell, and this is how you can make your makeup sponges last longer. Makeup sponges are only meant to last for maybe a month to 2 months. So, in that time, make sure that you choose the sponge that it is appropriate for your makeup and your skin. They come square. They also come round. They even come in wedges. So you have to find the makeup sponge that is right for you. Cleaning your makeup sponge on a regular basis is very important. Use mild soapy water and make sure to let it sit for a little while so that all the makeup can be drained out of the sponge. Once you've done that, dry your makeup sponge and use a little alcohol to use as an antiseptic. Making sure that your makeup sponges are clean is vital for healthy skin, and it helps prevent pimples and blackheads and all the kinds of dirt that lay on top of the skin. Remember, you can always buy more makeup sponges. They are plentiful in the store, and it's good to keep a nice amount on hand. My name is Sylvia Russell, and this is how you can clean and make your makeup sponge last longer.